This is it. This is it. This is my life. It's your boy Nova Church. I've really been under the weather for like 2 weeks. It ain't cool, and I never really get this sick. And the only thing I switched up on my routine is running. I always run, and I haven't been running. You know, when you sweat, you kick out those toxins, and I haven't been doing that. So yesterday I had the opportunity to go out with Bronx Sole. Nova Church. Alright. How you doing? That's 2 subscribers now. Alright. I'm moving up.
I subscribe to it.
Okay, 3. Alright, I got 3. No, I got more than 3. I got more than 3.
Hashtag Bronx Sole. Oh, that's my run with Bronx Sole.
Oh yeah, I be noticing you put your music on.
I love music. I still collect mine, man.
We out here 149th Street, Bronx Sole. We doing 12, man. You coming home with us, man?
The 9 and the 0 and a half.
Let's get it. Come join us. Over here in the Bronx, motivating people, trying to hook them up. I'm trying to hook you up. Oh, she's coming too hot. She's coming too hot, man. It's just oh, downhill is hard. You, how about that? How about that? We was down there, over there. Yeah, right here. This is. How about that? How about that? So that was a little bit of the run yesterday with Bronx Sole, and we was on the news, and then what happened was that this guy. So I hope you enjoyed some of the footage from the run yesterday, but now I'm settled in. I got my tea, eat me a peanut butter sandwich, give me my little proteins for this morning.
Peanut butter, and then
You sure you don't want peanut butter, Nelson?
He stuck his hand in and came over peanut butter, and the judge thought it was shit.
Not after that story.
You want some peanut butter, Rob?
Yo, come randomly. Give me. I'll take some.
Here you go.
Well, you had this spoon.
I just made my sandwich.
Maybe something.
It's good peanut butter, man. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
That's how we do. See, they didn't want the peanut butter, but Rob used one of his giant thumbs to get some.
Did he really?
Yeah. So I got my peanut butter sandwich, feeding the troops. That's what I do out here in these streets. Good peanut butter. What up, Kev?
Timmy Love, what's happening
What's
in your
happening,
house, man? You eating healthy again?
I'm trying to do my healthy thing, man.
I smell peanut butter. That's health.
Yo, peanut butter, man. Celery, spinach, kale, beets, ginger. This right here? This right here, son? Yesterday was like spring, today's winter. Tomorrow we're gonna probably have a monsoon. I don't know. We're gonna figure this out together. But I'm watching my Sling TV and this terrorist attacks here. No, not here. Not here. Over there. In France. In the UK. Outside the UK Parliament. Outside the UK Parliament. Look, I'll let you see.
Government jobs leaving for the day, the tourists who are always out there in throngs, school finishing, universities in the area. This is normally an incredibly crowded area.
The more love we got, it will combat the hate. Hate is a dark energy. Dark things start to blanket. It just takes over. But we gotta fight. We gotta push back, and we gotta spread that good vibe. I want y'all to do that. Because it's crazy out here in these streets, son. So I just came out of work. I'm done for the day. I'm clocked out. Kind of pumped right now because somebody put me on so I can get me fresh fruit for cheap in the city. And after 4 o'clock, they get all these fresh fruit. Thank you. So we found the stash spot. Got a couple produce, something light. It's always good finding little spots like this because you'll pay an arm and a leg for things that people grow. And at the end of the day, it's better to get stuff that's not processed. So it's good to get stuff from stuff that's actually farmed over here. So it's a lot fresher and a lot cheaper. Train, right? I take the D train almost every day, and there's always a problem with the train. They want to raise the fares up, but look at this. How you gonna get on the train? You gonna pay $5 for a Metro card? That's crazy, right? Can't even get on the train. It's ridiculous. But they're gonna raise the fares, right? And where that money gonna go? Because it ain't going to this. Because I gotta wait. I'm gonna be here for a while. I gotta chill. I gotta wait. Gotta wait in the train station. How you doing? With this lady, she's getting her money, you know. But it's crazy because they want to raise the fares. Right? They want to raise the fares. It's crazy. But look at this. Every day. Every day. And I bet you the B train that come stops on 161st Street and then goes express. They'll dump everybody out on 161st Street, right? And then the train will go express. So once you get to the Bronx, it's you in the Bronx, Unless it's a Yankee game. This is it. This is it. This is my life. Everybody. That's disrespectful. Oh, disrespectful, Red. Go ahead, disrespectful, Red. You got it, man. Disrespectful, Red. Oh, no, disrespectful. Oh, he's in. He's on somebody's ass. Disrespectful, Red. Watch your heels, Red. Get your heels in there, Red. You gotta get your heels in there. You gotta get them heels in, Red. There you go. Disrespectful, Red. Oh, Red.